I gave Eli money.
Okay, let me open this.
Okay.
What is it? What is it?
Whoa, a train.
Oh, it's more than just a train.
Chugga, 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 chugga,
It's
chugga.
a car, Eli.
Oh. What is it, Eli? What is it?
Let's open this.
Mommy, here's something for you.
Rena!
Here's something for you, Mom.
Wait. What is it, Eli? Do you know what this is?
Yes, a truck.
Here, Mommy.
What does it look like?
A roller coaster.
Yeah, is that a roller coaster for your train set?
Yeah.
It's roller coaster set.
That's this roller coaster.
That looks like it's awesome. Now you can set up more roller coasters in the theater room. Is that awesome?
Let's break the other roller coaster. Wait. Let's break the other one. We're going to up this
Did you want to see it, Hannah?
Cool.
Okay.
You like the Legos?
Okay, Daddy.
Oh,
Come on,
Poison
Dad.
Ivy.
Yeah.
Come on, Daddy.
Is it the same one that was in the box, or is it a different one?
It's
Mary, we are
Hi.
opening up Eli's BRIO roller coaster set.
Cool.
Eli's really excited.
Oh, this one is cool.
This track is cool.
Whoa. Let's get that on the list.
So I didn't really need to get him anything else.
Yeah, just the shark Lego guy and this apparently.
And the short game.
The shark game.
And the shark game. Thank you.
I can play this every time I come down here. Well, that's progress.
Did you say, is that progress?
Yeah.
That's progress. All right.
Open this, please.
You need me to open that with my
Yeah.
knife? Looks like it's taped up pretty good, eh?
Yeah.
All right. Hey, Eli, you can throw all the scraps in the box, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
What's this?
It looks like some of the track.
Yeah. Let's put together this.
You okay, Eli?
How does this?
I think the yellows don't go together, bud. If you look at the box.
What else needs open?
Yeah.
Yeah, other things need opened.
Mama. Yes. If you get it in the circle, it's real attacks. Look at it.
Hannah, would you like to help with this?
What hacks? She does it, Daddy.
She doesn't. Oh, okay.
Upside down.
Whoa, feel better, Eli?
Yes, I feel better with this. But, you know, we can get it into a circle.
You can get it into a circle.
So, Mom. So, Dad.
Yes, Eli?
You can beat this one, and I can beat this one.
Thank you. We have two cars.
I know.
You know, okay.
Okay. Yeah, let's seal. Ah! There's a toilet.
All right, so how does this go together? Is that everything? I put the knife away.
Let's get this fixed.
And they are supposed to go together like this. All right, there's that. And then we need this piece. Hey, Mary, you got it set up to record? Haha. Uh-oh, it's falling apart.
That's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
We can still have fun.
you can still have fun? Awesome.
Time to get in here, Daddy. She's sliding. And look, Dad.
Yeah, what do you see?
It's could be.
There we go. All right. Now what?
Oh, Daddy.
Yes? All right, we need,
Still going.
oh, looks like, ready? Let's put it together. Where can we put this together?
This one, let's call this one the peon.
I think this needs to be lower.
Yeah. This one is going up.
Yeah?
Okay, Dad. These people are going to ride it.
Looks like it's not finished yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not finished yet? Okay.
Look, it's fun. Pikachu.
Eli, there should be one more of these small ones. Here it is. I was sitting on it. I got it. Awesome. Okay. Oh, he crashed. Is he okay?
Yes.
All right.
That was fun.
Yay, that was fun.
He wanted to crash.
He wanted to crash? That was, you did that on purpose?
No, he did that on accident.
He did that on accident? Whoops. All right, let's see. Now we need another one of these.
Now someone else is riding it.
Someone else is riding it?
Yeah. Woohoo!
Woohoo! All right.
Let us, sister. Come back, run, run. He's running again. Window is coming down.
Where's the red one? So this shows, oh, red is down there. Okay. We got yellow. Okay.
Goes at a time. Sister. Wait.
Eli, do we have another one of these pieces somewhere?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Oh yeah, we do have a torn piece.
So we have another yellow one. We should have another yellow piece.
Right here.
Yeah, we should have another yellow piece that's not connected yet.
Yeah. Oh, in the box.
Did you put it in the box?
No.
No?
Why?
Are we missing a yellow piece?
Oh no, Dad, look! I found one.
Yeah, we should have one more. Mary, we're missing a yellow piece.
Hey, Daddy.
Yes?
They want to ride it again.
Oh, it's behind you, Eli. It's behind you.
Found it.
Yay! Are they the same? They are not. Maybe one is a turn. I see. There we go. So we need to go this way. All right.
Whoa! That
Whoa.
find out really fast.
Yeah. Yay, we found the piece. All right, now we need
Now the
Go
bottle is
down.
floating in.
We're almost done, Eli.
Yay!
Oh. And then a straight piece. Whoop. There we go. Is this the loading? There we go. Oh, I need to. There we go. The height thing goes here, I think. Which way should it be? Like this?
We've already finished.
Oh.
Guess one.
Here we go. It's together. Yay. Oh, put her lap bar down. There we go.
And his wrap bar down.
Yeah. Just the buzz bar?
No.
No? Okay. May I try it, Eli?
Sure.
This guy?
I do.
You want the blue guy? Alright, I'll do the green guy.
Yeah.
Ready? Whee! Oh no, it got stuck.
Let me try.
Yay!
My turn.
Okay.
Does it work?
Yes.
Yeah. Daddy,
Yes.
it's your turn.
Oh, okay. You want to do it? You want to have your guy go?
Oh, this is my guy. It only goes one time, okay, Dad?
Okay.
They're going to have to get back in line.
They have to get back in line. They can't go around and around.
Yeah,
I'm afraid they'll get sick.
yeah.
All right.
But wait, Dad. They can if they want to,
They can if they want to.
but you go.
Yay!
Oh, see.
Yay! Can he get back on the roller coaster now?
Yeah.
Yay!
Actually, both of them couldn't go. Here, you got the green, Dad.
Okay, sorry. Oh no, put the lap bar down. We don't want him to fall out of the roller coaster.
Oh, Daddy wanted to.
Yay!
Just can't do it. Okay, lap bar down.
Lap bar down.
And
Yay! Eli, is this a good Christmas present?
yeah.
That was a lot of fun, huh?
Okay, then your turn.
Okay. Click, 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 click. Yay!
Lap bar is down.
That bar's down. All right. Yay!
Your turn.
Does he have to get out or can he just stay on the roller coaster this time?
Stay on the wood.
Yay!
Click, 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 click.
Your turn.
on.
Go ahead, Eli. Yay. You gonna say bye to the camera?
Bye. Juice
You
on
gonna
Dad.
say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas. Juice on Daddy.
Okay, okay.